Hi guys, today we are in Kandy. We are going to hike Katusukonda.
Yes.
Katusukonda.
And
Also known as the
called,
lizard's back.
lizard spine.
No, but
lizard's spine.
Katusukonda means back, right? In English.
Konda means hip.
Oi, Konda doesn't mean hip, man. What the fuck?
Katusu is like it's a lizard spine.
Joining me today is this bugger.
Yeah, we're on our way to
Mostly-
have breakfast, and after that we'll
Ade, one by one you have to tell, bro. First we introduced the video, now where we are going, now we have to tell. Now we are on our way for breakfast.
We are gonna put that also in it.
Who knows?
Who knows? Okay.
How's the green tea? What is it? Coffee?
It's coffee, bro.
How is it?
Sugar. I want sugar.
You want more sugar?
I have no sugar, dude. I don't put sugar.
Why didn't you put sugar?
Healthy lifestyle.
Healthy lifestyle. Drink, will you? Suck it. So we just had breakfast. How was the breakfast?
Wow. Grape. Grape.
We are going to change into shoes and stuff now and take our gear, hiking gear. Gonna get ready.
Nobody's gonna watch like this, man.
Who's gonna?
If you wanna keep people watching, don't do this stuff. Just okay.
So how else to do that?
I have no idea.
Then
I'm not the expert.
I asked you how
I
the
just give-
I
give
asked you how the
critics.
food was. You're like, wow, grape. We just started our hike. Uzni, 5 minutes into it. How do you feel? So breathing heavy, huh?
Are you mad?
Ah, you just stopped breathing. What a bugger.
Breathing is for.
What? Breathing is for? How many minutes into the vlog? How Muzni?
Yeah.
20 minutes. Have we done 20 minutes?
3 hours, I guess.
Oh no. How long have you been hiking now? 20 minutes, right?
10 minutes.
Already 10 minutes already gassed out. So many leeches here, man. I got rid of one. The more you stay, the more you stall yourself, the more leeches come, man. Crazy. Hey, what do you think?
Not bad, not
Tired?
bad. No, not at all.
Don't lie, man.
Not at all.
Why are you breathing then?
I'm not. I have to breathe, man. I'm human.
You're breathing so heavy now.
Ah, really?
Still not even halfway there.
No.
I'll do a small briefing until other stuff.
Nah, we don't do rest.
Rest is purpose.
We don't do rest. was the shortcut we took.
That was so dangerous, man.
Like a live ending shortcut. Those guys came from that way. That's like a more stable path. We came from here. Crazy. I couldn't record it because I had to put the GoPro inside. Still has so much to go, huh?
4 more kilometers.
Crazy. 4 more? No.
4, 3 more.
But now it's refreshing, huh? Because of the climate. What do you say?
Now it won't be that tiring because the
It's cold, right?
steep is gone and
Steep is gone, huh? Missed on your medicines, huh? Steep is gone.
Hi, Sapa.
We took a risky route over there.
With Vimuthi.
It was like uphill.
Like you had to climb on the roots.
I was supposed to have another adventure with Bushwalker.
That's another one. What is the first thing you want to do when you see this?
We are almost at the peak of Kuragala. The second
I just want to
highest peak.
sleep, man. I just want to lie down.
Life is meaningless.
If you can put up a tent over here,
අපේ highest peaks තියෙන ඉතින්
huh? If you can put up a tent over here, then
ත්‍රිපාද වෙනමනේ තියෙන්නේ.
life is meaningless, no?
Life is meaningless.
One of the 10 highest.
You come to the top of the mountain and you still miss someone. And you still miss someone. That's the worst, dude.
I can't exactly remember the height.
Oh my god. To all the boys out there. Never mind.
This place is such a vibe, a must visit. Like I do.
Huh?
For 3,700,
It's worth it.
worth it, no?
Bushwalkers.
Solid.
Totally recommend it.
Solid. We'll include this in the video if they pay us.
Even if we include this.
Oh, my 200 subscribers will see that, then they'll come. No?
Exactly, yeah.
My 200 views. Let's just. What do you say, Muzni? Very risky track, no?
Very risky track, worth it. Just show the view.
Worth it.
Worth
We
it.
had to climb from all the way down there.
We had to Spider-Man this shit.
While go down, also very
Still, we had to climb more.
While going down.
careful more
Yeah.
because while climbing, our it goes to that side. Once go down, you can, anytime can slip.
It's crazy, man. We have so much more to climb. We finally reached the peak. Husni, how do you feel?
Amazing, man. Look at the view.
Crazy, wait, I'll show you the view. That's the view. That's the lizard's back.
Okay, was it worth it?
Huh?
Was it
It
worth
was really worth it. But then, it was super risky though.
it?
If you,
If we have to go back down.
yeah, I had to go back all the way down. It's gonna be a fucked up ride. Adi, if we imagine slipping, if you slip, you're gone, right?
Exactly.
Straight rock bottom, you know, in some of the bushes.
It's okay, dude. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. I have nothing to go back for.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sure.
Well, I have.
No, you have. Okay. Don't worry. I'll take you back. I'll come back up.
What's name? How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
Huh?
Exhausted, dude. Thanks.
It's like the riskiest climb, but
Actually, more than guarantee, it's like
For real?
tons of.
damn risky.
Look at this thing, dude, just to show.
Actually, look at this. What's this?
Oh, don't rub it.
You go down there, done. You slip here, you're gone. Yeah, on my way back. They're climbing down. Who's the?
I'll tell you something.
Tell me what?
No, it doesn't matter if you're rich, poor, tall, short, or what else.
No, it doesn't matter what you're saying, dude.
Okay. Because at the end of the day, it's night. What?
Hey, what music are you listening to?
Shunpan extended version.
Wow. So we have finally completed the hike.
What? We're done with it. Not.
I told you, act natural, pa.
Okay.
So we are finally done with the hike. You know.
Yes.
My
We are
legs
done.
are completely fucked, to be honest.
I'm fine.
Huh?
I'm fine.
You're fine. You were crying about your toes? Why?
I'm fine.
I have ingrown nails and I didn't cut my nails also before coming.
That's it. I missed the part well there. That's my problem.
Now we're headed to lunch.
After that, we're going somewhere else, right?
I'm not sure. We might go to a waterfall, but very unsure. But we're heading for lunch.
I hope we
first.
go. So.
Let's see. So. we finally had lunch. Now we are heading to a stream to freshen up a bit. Maybe we'll get in. Are you gonna get in?
I might not get in.
Huh? Are you gonna get in?
I might not get in.
Why?
Just when not in the mood.
Fuck, dude, already have so many scratches. Scrape my hand.
Bad idea to vlog while.
Yeah, dude, that's a. Like, I don't know if I should look at the camera or look fucking down, man. That's the thing.
So this is the stream. We are gonna have a bath.
That's the pond, no?
Yeah, that's fun.
That's the pond.
You stopped working out.
This is what you are seeing is the peak male body, bro. Look at this.
Damn.
You can be jealous of it, huh?